Hi, my name is Simon. I'm here together with Cameron from Airolit, who is the R&D engineer and also the pilot of Airolit's 2 UAV platforms. We're right now here standing with our SRoC controller and with the SRM dual labs radio behind, which Airolit is using to controlling their platforms. And I would like to ask Cameron some specifics about what and how the SRoC is functioning together with your platform.
Yeah, so basically we're Airolit. We got 2 platforms in the moment. We've got our older heavy lifter, Explorian XLT, which can lift a payload of 5 kilos. We've just come out literally for summer with our Airolit S1, which is designed to be a small modular drone. This can carry 3 kilograms. It can fly up to 70 minutes with a long range. We've just switched to using your UXV controller.
So you're using our SRoC controller for your 2 specific platforms. The specific software you're using for both mapping and controlling, can you elaborate a bit on that?
Yep, we use our own software, Airolit Ground Control, which is built on top of QGC. We've just started using the UXV controller. Our customers find it very necessary to have an IP-rated control. Our drone is IP55, so we have to have also a hand control, which can be used in any weather. The button mapping for your control, so to be able to map controls to any button and multiple scroll wheels is fantastic for us.
About future-proofing your customer needs, so that specifically if a customer wants a specific data link, they're basically able to swap it in and out from the controller and then configure it on the specific OES platform, of course. Which maybe also helps you quite a lot when dealing with different kind of customers, that you're now able to explain that you're not committed to one communication module, but also on your platforms that you're able to interchange between different kind of data links.
No, that's it. I mean, the great thing about this, we've started using your Doodle Labs, SRM, to have the ability to try different communication later, again, to suit any customer's needs is perfect for us.
Thanks a lot for your time, Cameron. It's a pleasure working with you guys, and it's nice to have a neighbor close by that you can do business with.
It's brilliant. Thanks a lot.